I would like to introduce Neuro-Symbolic AI, an entire new form of artificial intelligence based on duplicating the brain's physical process. It's not a language model. It doesn't talk. It thinks. Neuro-Symbolic AI generates a unique set of differentiators that will distinguish Signal Edge from all other products in the marketplace. We will go where they cannot. Three components are used to construct a Neuro-Symbolic AI. The first is Bitewise IoT. It's a network appliance that transforms edge data into real-time data. It allows vast amounts of information to cross the network using a fraction of the available bandwidth. This component is available now. Second is the artificial subconscious intelligence, which converts the real-time data into thoughts. Thoughts are composed of symbolic images and generate awareness and automation. This component will be available later this year. Third is the cognitive object interface. It allows users to tap into the thoughts to produce full comprehension of a situation. The user plays a game that will produce intelligence and train the Neuro-Symbolic AI. This final piece will be available early next year. Everybody's talking about AI. It's in the news every day. Many are excited. Many are worried. A major change is upon us, and it's getting tougher to separate the hype from the truth. The business leaders are listening as these incredible numbers reflect. But all the experts agree. The large language model, the LLM, will not achieve human level. In fact, a recent study discovered the LLMs require exponential energy to achieve linear improvement. That's a fancy way of saying it's reached the point of diminishing marginal return. In other words, not profitable. So now is the perfect time to introduce our thought model, which is low energy, produces superior results, and has direct application. Signal Edge is currently targeting two market segments, medical and military. Medical has a desperate labor shortage. There are too many sick people and just not enough resources. The military has a double problem. They need to field AI systems and defend against them. AI will shift military doctrine for decades to come. As a result, both segments are on fire with substantial numbers. Perfect candidates for our technology. Neuro-Symbolic AI will revolutionize their practices with capabilities far beyond our competition. The goal of artificial intelligence is to turn data into intelligence. The problem is there's an IT mountain that must be crossed. Current solutions are focused on going over the mountain. Large language models follow this path of talking data where every word must be uttered. The result is an enormous amount of time and energy wasted. Bitewise IoT doesn't go over the mountain. We use a quantum entanglement to form a tunnel through the mountain. In this tunnel, data is organized into thoughts, which allows knowledge to form without words. This is the difference between talking data and thinking data. The result is a 10,000% increase in data efficiency, and that's just where it starts. Quantum tunneling is the future of data processing. This thinking data feeds into our artificial subconscious intelligence. It is basically a translator that converts general intelligence to symbolic intelligence. General intelligence is like FedEx. It gets the package there on time, with one big difference. Any package that can be predicted can be delivered without sending the package. Talk about energy savings. Now, Unpredictable packages need to have their contents examined. Symbolic intelligence is what we use to look into the package. The physical globs are converted to symbols, which have associations and are organized by activity. This symbolic language creates awareness of the environment. Two systems of intelligence working together from the bottom up and the top down to produce thoughts. The thoughts are then fed into our cognitive object interface, the COI. It allows a user to comprehend the data in real time. Any activity can be depicted with symbols, and they will appear on the different cognitive levels in the display. The user simply plays a game by matching symbols, changing tiles, and selecting actions. Through the COI, the Neuro-Symbolic AI learns. It produces a complete translation of the symbolic activity to general intelligence, where the cause and effect of every action is recorded. Other forms of AI estimate cause from a mathematical regression of effect. Not us. We already have the cause, and with the translation can encode the intelligence directly into the physical system itself. It's just like teaching your body to ride a bike. But it's not without its risk. The world is addicted to very expensive AI. $1 trillion valuations, massive sales projections, chips in every pot. Many will be resistant because there's just too much money to make doing it the wrong way. To counter, we plan to position our product as an add-on to the LLM, taking their knowledge and converting it to actual intelligence. There are ethical concerns. We're talking about the algorithm of life, the power of creation. Our future will be judged on how we use this algorithm. We cannot rely on government to protect us. So we have patented the whole process and plan on implementing an ethical use clause in our licensing agreement. We will impanel an ethics committee to establish guidelines, render judgment, and aggressively prosecute violators. We will protect what must be protected. We are organized where our horizontal technology feeds our market segment teams, allowing them to concentrate on vertical applications and sales. Each team is focused on translating the product's value proposition to what is most important to the customer. Our technology plays well with others. It can add value to many different products and services, so we will see a variety of partnerships and teaming opportunities. We will market our uniqueness directly to the end users and allow them to experience the difference. When they touch the future, all the other AI hype will dissipate, and they will have clarity, and we will have sales. Education is key, and it will be intertwined with support. Deployed systems learn just like children, and best practices need to be established and knowledge shared. But what it really comes down to is selling to the customer's goals. While AI may be a new technology, the customer's expectations remain the same. Force multiplication is our beachhead. Taking their existing talent and improving employee efficiency is a path well known, and through it we can deliver on all their goals. And their risk become our differentiators. We do not suffer from these maladies. Only with AI can we cause system errors, hallucinations. This is a ridiculous cost to pay for mediocre intelligence. But it's this last one that disturbs me most. Have you looked at Loudoun County, Virginia lately? Data centers popping up like daisies, each with the energy and water requirements of a small town. Yet the entire data center produces less intelligence than the uninvited fruit fly cruising the next room looking for a meal. So, we can talk about the past, or we can think about the future. Thank you.